Hey everyone, this is Jenny and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Jennie of BLACKPINK's makeup in their Do music video. I love her makeup in that music video and it took me a really long time to actually decide whether I should do Rosé or Jisoo's makeup, but then I decided I'll just go with Jennie's just because I love her makeup there and it's something that I would love to try and also share with you guys. So for this video, I'll be using mostly Rom&nd products. If you are not aware of this brand, you guys have to check it out because they have amazing products. They have great lip tints, great cushion, great eyeshadow, pretty much everything. So anyway, I'll be using mostly Rom&nd products in this this makeup tutorial. And guys, if you are interested to find out about these products and also how I created this makeup look, just keep on watching. For my primer, I'll be using the VDL Lumi Layer Primer. So this is really good to actually prime your face and color correct some of your sallow skin tone. So this is a really good one. So I'll be priming my face using this. And now for my foundation, I'll be using this Rom&nd Zero Cushion in shade number 23. So this is a brand that I've been loving so much. So I'll be using this product. So this seems like a very high coverage foundation. You guys can tell it's high coverage. It easily covers my blemishes, and one pat, you can actually cover pretty much your whole face. And now for my brows, I'll start off by putting a brow mascara first, and this is Color My Brows, and this is from Etude House, and this is in shade number 3. And my next brow product would be the Peripera Speedy Eyebrow Wood Pencil, and this is in shade number 2. So typically when you actually draw your brows, you should actually draw it first before putting your brow mascara. But for my case, I usually do the other way around just because I do have a lot of bald and sparse area, and that's easier for me to actually draw my brows if I use the brow mascara first. But normally for those of you guys who have full brows, you have to draw your brows first before putting the brow mascara. Next up, I'll be putting some concealer down here just to kind of cover up that dark areas there. So I'll be putting the Saem Cover Perfection Tip Concealer, and this is in shade number 1. And some remaining concealer on the brush. I'll just be cleaning up some of these areas here on my forehead and on my brows. Now before we start with our eye makeup, I want to prime my eyelids first just because I usually have very oily lids. And now that we're done priming our eyelids, I'm now ready to put on my eyeshadow, and I'm freaking excited to use this because this is Rom&nd's Better Than Eyes. So I've been seeing this eyeshadow quads for some time and I love these shades. So basically I picked the shade number 2, and this is Dry Rose. So this has 4 nice pink tones that is very, very nice for every day or also if you're going out. So I'll be using this to create that eye makeup look that I was telling you about. So first shade, I'll be using this one. Now next shade, I'll be using this pink one here, and I'll put it all over my lid. Now next shade, I'll be using this brown one here, and I'll put it at the very end of my lid and just create like a tiny wing shadow. I'll be using the shimmery shade, and I'll be putting it at the middle or the center of my lid. Now move on to my eyeliner, and I'll be using this Clio Sharp So Simple waterproof pencil liner. So it is actually this one, and what I have with me here is a brown shade, just to kind of give that subtle look on your eyes. After I've drawn my liner with that pencil liner, I'll be brushing it off just to kind of create that blurred look for my eyeliner. I'll put the same liner on my lower lash line and do the same with the brush and blur that out a bit. Now what I'm doing is I'll be adding a liquid eyeliner on top of that pencil liner that I just draw. So why I'm doing that is because sometimes if you just use a liquid liner alone, it just looks like very harsh lines. So what I did is I put a pencil liner first and blurred it out a bit, and then we'll be putting this on top just so that it doesn't look like a harsh line eyeliner. For my eyelashes, I'll be skipping using fake lashes just because I feel that it just looks not natural. The makeup that I'm trying to achieve doesn't have fake lashes, so I'll just be using this Makeup Forever Aqua Smoky Lash, and this is actually quite good in creating that kind of like a fake lash look, but not really. I'll move on to just creating some shadows on the corners of my face just because it kind of just looks too white now. Using this Too Cool for School art class by Rom&nd, and I'll just mix all these colors here. What I'll do is I'll just slightly contour my nose just to kind of elongate this bit here. And I'll just add a little bit of highlighter on the bridge of my nose. For my blush, I'll be using the Rom&nd Better Than Cheek, and this is the Anne of Green Gables version, and this is Apple Chip, and this is shade number 6. Just put a tiny bit of color just to kind of add that pop. This blush is very pigmented, so it's better if you just use controlled hand to actually apply the blush, just so that it's not too strong. We're almost done with our makeup, so last step would be our lip color, and what I am using here is my new favorite, and this is Rom&nd Zero Velvet Tint. So I'll be using 2 shades to actually create that look, and what I'll be using first for my base is number 9 Polar. And I'll be using this number 8 Icy at the middle or center part of my lid to create that kind of shadow, and then I'll top it off with a lip shine or a lip gloss to kind of create that not too matte kind of look. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you love it. And if you do, hit the like and hit subscribe. And guys, if you're interested to purchase any of the products that I use in this makeup tutorial, I'll put a link down in the description box below. And I do have a coupon code where you can actually use it and get an additional discount on your card. And also guys, I would love to hear your thoughts, whether are these type of content, you know, makeup tutorial and stuff, are these type of things you would like for me to continue doing. So guys, share your thoughts down in the comment section below, and I will definitely speak to you in the next one. Bye!